Hi everyone, I'm Yossi, Head of Product Communications at Odoo, and for today's tips and tricks, we are going to end the week-long partnership program series. Makes me a little sad. They say that knowledge is power, and I must say I completely agree. Whenever you start a new endeavor, it is critical to have as many resources and tools as possible. Last time we took a closer look at the partner dashboard. Today, we are going to explore in greater detail the partner knowledge base as an indispensable tool in the armory of success as an Odoo partner. This platform is dedicated exclusively to Odoo partners, and here you'll find all kinds of useful documents and resources to build your knowledge on all things Odoo. In a nutshell, the Odoo Partner Knowledge Base, or Odoo PKB, is a newly created platform and centralized repository of information for partners to be truly successful. Now, whether you want to enhance and sharpen your Odoo skills or you're looking to develop the market in your very own region, everything is right here. Let's dig deeper and look at the various resources available to you. For one, you have roll-up banners for your very own events. You also have available screenshots and diagrams of various workflows. PDFs and slide decks of functional information is also included, as well as videos, tutorials, and much more. The PKB also helps you learn more in-depth themes like how to demo Odoo to your potential customers, how to properly qualify a new lead, and what is the Odoo implementation methodology. Now, we ask our partners to have a thorough knowledge of the system. Therefore, we are making this possible through PKB and e-learning. These tools and resources are important to launch a strong and successful business implementing Odoo for your potential customers, wherever they may be. I'm down with PKB. Yeah, you know me. Who's down with PKB? In the future, we will create more videos on the benefits of becoming an Odoo partner. But for now, I invite you to get in touch with one of our passionate partnership managers to better understand how implementing Odoo is a recipe for continued success. Till next time, remember, a wise owl once said, "The best investment you can make is in your knowledge." Invest in yourself, invest in the future, and join us in this revolution with Odoo. Thank you very much for your time today, and be sure to stay tuned to next time. Don't forget to like and follow us to get the latest videos and content on all things Odoo. Stay healthy out there and do it all.